Join me as I challenge myself to whip up 5 amazing breakfast ideas in just 5 minutes. Mornings can be crazy, and I'm sure we've all been there, rushing to get out the door, and breakfast is the last thing on our minds. But skipping breakfast can leave us feeling sluggish and hungry, and who wants that? A quick and magical breakfast can totally transform our morning routine. The thing is, many of us face common challenges when it comes to breakfast. We're short on time, and it's easy to grab something unhealthy on the go. Or maybe you're tired of the same old boring oatmeal or scrambled eggs. Sometimes we just can't think of anything new or exciting to make. And let's be real, who has the energy to cook a big breakfast when you're still waking up? But what if I told you that making a delicious breakfast doesn't have to take a lot of time or effort? What if you could whip up something amazing in just a few minutes? I've got 4 magical breakfast ideas that are not only easy to make but also delicious and satisfying. First up, we have a peanut butter banana toast. All you need is some whole grain bread, peanut butter, a ripe banana, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Spread the peanut butter on the toast, top with sliced banana, and sprinkle with cinnamon. That's it. It's a simple yet satisfying breakfast that's ready in just a minute. Another idea is a yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and granola in a bowl, and you've got a healthy and delicious breakfast that's ready in no time. You can customize it to your liking with your favorite fruits and nuts. My third magical breakfast idea is a breakfast burrito. Scramble some eggs, add shredded cheese, salsa, and your favorite fillings, then wrap it all up in a tortilla. It's a filling breakfast that's easy to make and can be customized to your taste. And finally, we have a smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits, yogurt, and milk, then top with granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. It's a quick and nutritious breakfast that's perfect for on the go. One of these breakfast ideas that I think you'll find particularly exciting is the breakfast burrito. I mean, who wouldn't love a breakfast that's wrapped up in a tortilla and can be taken on the go? The combination of scrambled eggs, cheese, and salsa is a game changer. And the best part is, you can customize it to your liking with your favorite fillings. So there you have it, 4 magical breakfast ideas that are quick, easy, and delicious. Whether you're short on time or just need some inspiration, I hope these ideas have helped. If you've got a favorite breakfast idea, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more quick meal inspirations, be sure to check out my next video for more ideas.